Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Pinterest notifications and want to turn off mentions, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to easily turn off mentions on Pinterest using the app. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture located at the top of the screen. This will bring you to your personal Pinterest space, where you manage all your settings. Next, look for the option labeled Social Permissions and tap on it. This section controls how others can interact with you on Pinterest, including mentions. Within Social Permissions, you'll find the 8 Mentions option. Tap on that to access the settings specifically related to mentions. Finally, you'll see the choice to turn off mentions. Select Turn Off to stop receiving notifications when someone mentions you in their pins or comments. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your Pinterest experience and avoid unwanted mentions. This update makes it straightforward to customize your social interactions on the platform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your Pinterest experience.